The United States has introduced the Lamprey submarine drone with torpedo and drone launch capability for undersea warfare on February 9, 2026. Lockheed Martin announced in a press release the launch of the Lamprey MMAUV multi-mission autonomous undersea vehicle, an advanced autonomous underwater platform. It is presented as a plug-and-play submersible designed to secure dominance in contested and sensitive maritime areas and to limit enemy access, according to the company. Lamprey is built to perform detection, disruption, deception including decoy operations and direct strike missions in the underwater environment. Instead of being a traditional survey autonomous underwater vehicle, a UV, it is positioned as a mobile, autonomous weapons platform that can be deployed to forward positions without putting human crews at risk. Importantly, Lamprey is capable not only of carrying torpedoes, but also of launching unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. This makes it a multi-domain combat system. It creates operational connectivity between the undersea and aerial domains. The announcement states that its design reflects the operational requirements of the United States Navy. It is also being prepared for a potential export to allied naval forces. Defense analysts say Lockheed Martin is presenting Lamprey not as an experimental technology, but as a scalable and fully operational undersea combat capability that could play a significant role in future naval warfare. This development signals a rapid shift in maritime warfare toward autonomous and unmanned systems, where technologies that reduce risk and increase operational impact are becoming a priority.